Guangdong Province, located in the southern region of China, is a major economic powerhouse for the country. It is one of the wealthiest and most populous provinces in China, with a GDP of over $1.6 trillion in 2020, and has a long history of economic growth and innovation. Guangdong's economic importance is rooted in its strategic location, thriving manufacturing sector, and robust trade connections with other countries. As a result, Guangdong has played a crucial role in China's economic rise and is considered a key driver of the country's economic development. In this context, it is worth exploring in detail the various factors that contribute to Guangdong's economic importance for China. So, in today's video, let's take a look into China's most important province, Guangdong. The province's strategic location is a key factor in its economic importance to China. The province is situated in the southern part of China, adjacent to Hong Kong and Macau, and is bordered by the South China Sea to the south. This location gives Guangdong easy access to other major Asian markets, particularly Southeast Asia, and makes it a natural gateway for trade and commerce between China and other countries. Its proximity to Hong Kong and Macau, two of the world's major financial centers, has further enhanced its economic significance. The two special administrative regions are key entry points for foreign investment and trade into China, and Guangdong's close links with them have facilitated the flow of capital and goods into and out of the province. Furthermore, Guangdong's location on the Pearl River Delta, one of the most densely populated and economically vibrant regions in the world, has further bolstered its position as a hub for trade and commerce. The Delta is home to several major ports, including the ports of Guangzhou, Shenzhen, and Hong Kong, which together form one of the world's busiest shipping lanes. This infrastructure has made the province a vital gateway for China's trade with the rest of the world, particularly for goods that are manufactured in the province. Overall, Guangdong's strategic location at the crossroads of several major markets has played a crucial role in its economic growth and importance to China. Moreover, the province's large population is another key factor in its economic importance to China. With over 115 million people, the province is the most populous province in China, accounting for nearly 9% of the country's total population. This large population is a significant source of labor and consumer demand, making Guangdong an important market for businesses. The province's abundant labor force has been a driving force behind its manufacturing sector, with many factories and plants in Guangdong relying on the availability of low-cost labor to produce goods. This has made Guangdong one of the largest manufacturing hubs in the world, producing a wide range of goods, from electronics and textiles to toys and furniture. The availability of a large labor force has also attracted many foreign businesses to Guangdong, who can benefit from the lower production costs and high-quality workforce. Additionally, Guangdong's large population also represents a significant consumer market. With rising incomes and increasing purchasing power, the province's residents have become a major source of demand for a wide range of goods and services, including automobiles, consumer electronics, and luxury goods. This has made Guangdong a highly attractive market for businesses, both domestic and foreign, looking to expand their reach in China. Over time, this province has become one of the wealthiest in China, with a GDP of over $1.6 trillion in 2020. It is home to many of China's most successful businesses and industries, including electronics, textiles, and manufacturing, making it a significant contributor to China's overall economic growth. Guangdong's manufacturing sector is particularly noteworthy. The province has long been known as the factory of the world due to its role as a global manufacturing hub. It is home to numerous factories and manufacturing plants that produce a wide range of goods, from smartphones and computers to furniture and clothing. This has made Guangdong a vital part of the global supply chain, with many businesses relying on the province's manufacturing capabilities to produce their products. In addition to its manufacturing sector, Guangdong is also a leader in other industries, such as electronics and textiles. The province is home to many of China's most successful tech companies, including Huawei and Tencent, and is also a major producer of textiles and apparel. The city's role as a center for innovation and technology is another important factor in its economic importance to China. The province is home to many research institutions, universities, and high-tech companies that are driving technological advancement and contributing to China's global competitiveness. Guangdong's tech sector is particularly noteworthy. The province is home to some of China's leading tech companies. These companies are driving innovation in areas such as artificial intelligence, big data, and the Internet of Things, and are helping to establish Guangdong as a leader in the global tech industry. Guangdong is also home to many research institutions and universities that are contributing to technological advancement. For example, the Guangdong Hong Kong Macau Greater Bay Area, a government initiative launched in 2017, aims to promote collaboration and innovation among universities and research institutions in the region. This initiative is expected to drive innovation and research in areas such as biotechnology, energy, and advanced manufacturing. Guangdong's future potential remains bright, with many opportunities for continued economic growth and development. The province has already established itself as a key center for trade, manufacturing, innovation, and technology, and is well positioned to continue its growth in these areas. Finally, Guangdong's location and infrastructure make it an attractive destination for foreign investment and trade. Its proximity to Hong Kong and Macau, as well as its well-developed transportation and logistics networks, make it an ideal hub for businesses looking to enter the Chinese market or expand their operations in Asia. Overall, Guangdong's future potential is strong, and the province is well positioned to continue to drive economic growth and development in China and the wider region. With that, let's end the video. Visionomics, signing out.